Hello everyone and welcome back to our video. Today we're diving into a fascinating topic, 8 essential foods your kidneys need. Our kidneys work tirelessly to filter your blood and keep you healthy, yet they rarely get the attention they deserve. Imagine if you could support these hardworking organs with just a few simple, delicious foods. In this video, we're going to show you 8 amazing foods that can help keep your kidneys happy and functioning at their best. Before we get started, if you enjoy learning easy ways to boost your health, please hit the like button and subscribe for more clear, simple tips. Your support means a lot and helps us bring you more great content that you can trust. We promise to keep our language simple and our ideas clear so that everyone can understand how these foods work to protect and nurture your kidneys. You might be surprised by some of the choices on our list, especially the number 3 food. So, grab a pen and paper if you like to take notes, and let's get started on this journey towards better kidney health. Now, let's explore our list from number 8 all the way to the top spot at number 1. Number 8. Blueberries. Blueberries are a little fruit that packs a big punch when it comes to supporting your kidneys. These tasty berries are bursting with antioxidants, which are natural compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by harmful molecules. The antioxidants in blueberries work to reduce inflammation, a process that can otherwise put extra stress on your kidneys. When you add blueberries to your diet, you are giving your body a delicious way to fight off these harmful effects. Enjoy them in your morning cereal, blended in a smoothie, or even just by the handful as a healthy snack. Their natural sweetness and bright color make them not only a nutritional boost, but also a fun addition to any meal. Including blueberries regularly is an easy and effective way to help keep your kidneys functioning well and maintain your overall health. Number 7. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are a crunchy, sweet, and colorful vegetable that offers great benefits for kidney health. One of the best things about red bell peppers is that they are very low in potassium, making them a smart choice if you need to watch your potassium intake. In addition, these vegetables are rich in vitamins A and C. Vitamin A is important for keeping your eyes and skin healthy, while vitamin C helps boost your immune system and protects your body from infections. The antioxidants found in red bell peppers further help reduce inflammation, making them a perfect food to support your kidneys. You can add them to salads, stir fries, or enjoy them raw as a snack. Their versatility means you can enjoy red bell peppers in many different dishes while knowing you're doing something great for your kidney health. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is much more than just a flavorful addition to your meals. It is a natural powerhouse with impressive health benefits, especially for your kidneys. This humble ingredient has been used for centuries not only for its taste, but also for its ability to support overall health. Garlic contains compounds that help reduce inflammation, which is important because chronic inflammation can strain your kidneys over time. By incorporating garlic into your cooking, you add a burst of flavor that also works to protect your cells and support better blood circulation. Whether you choose to use garlic in sauces, soups, or roasted dishes, its benefits extend far beyond just enhancing taste. Regular use of garlic can help you maintain healthy kidney function while also boosting your immune system and contributing to overall well-being. Enjoy garlic roasted, minced in a salad dressing, or simply sautéed with your favorite vegetables for an extra kick of both flavor and health benefits. Number 5. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a wonderfully versatile vegetable that not only tastes great, but also offers fantastic benefits for your kidneys. This white, crunchy vegetable is low in potassium, which makes it a smart choice if you are looking to maintain a kidney-friendly diet. Cauliflower is rich in vitamins, such as vitamin C and vitamin K, and it is a good source of fiber, which aids in digestion and helps your body eliminate toxins more efficiently. You can enjoy cauliflower in many different ways: steamed, roasted, or even turned into a healthy mash that resembles mashed potatoes. Its mild flavor makes it easy to mix into various dishes, from soups to salads, without overpowering other tastes. By adding cauliflower to your meals, you not only enjoy a nutritious boost, but also give your kidneys the support they need to work efficiently. Every bite of cauliflower is a step toward a healthier, more balanced diet. Number 4, apples. Apples are one of the most popular fruits around, and for good reason. They offer a perfect blend of taste and health benefits, making them an excellent choice for kidney support. Apples are rich in fiber, which helps in managing blood sugar levels and keeping your digestive system in check. The antioxidants found in apples help fight free radicals, reducing inflammation and the risk of damage to your kidneys. Their natural sweetness and satisfying crunch make apples a delightful snack any time of day. Whether you enjoy them fresh, sliced into a salad, or even baked into a healthy dessert, apples are a simple way to enhance your overall well-being. This fruit is a natural cleanser for the body, helping to flush out toxins and reduce the workload on your kidneys. Including apples in your daily routine can be a tasty and effective step toward maintaining kidney health and overall vitality. Number 3, fatty fish, like salmon. Prepare to be amazed by our number 3 pick, fatty fish such as salmon. This delicious fish is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a powerhouse of nutrients essential for kidney health. Fatty fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. Reducing inflammation is crucial for protecting your kidneys and ensuring they continue to filter your blood effectively. Omega-3 fatty acids also help maintain healthy blood flow and lower blood pressure, both of which are important for kidney function. Salmon is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Whether you grill it, bake it, or steam it, you can enjoy a variety of flavors while reaping significant health benefits. Eating fatty fish regularly can be a smart strategy to support your heart and your kidneys, making it a key addition to a balanced diet. Every serving of salmon brings a delightful combination of taste and health, helping you to nourish your body and keep your kidneys in top shape. Number 2, cabbage. Cabbage is a humble vegetable that offers a wealth of benefits for your kidneys. This leafy green is not only low in potassium, but it's also packed with essential vitamins, antioxidants, and fiber. These nutrients help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. Cabbage is very versatile. You can add it to salads, soups, or stir-fries, and it blends well with many different flavors. Its natural crunch and mild taste make it an ideal ingredient in a healthy diet, allowing you to support your kidney health without compromising on flavor. Regular consumption of cabbage helps your body flush out toxins, while the fiber aids in digestion and overall well-being. Whether you enjoy it raw or lightly cooked, cabbage is a simple and effective way to add nutritional value to your meals. Embracing cabbage as part of your diet is like giving your kidneys a gentle, natural boost, keeping them functioning well and helping you stay on top of your health. Number 1, olive oil. At the very top of our list is olive oil, a true champion when it comes to supporting kidney health. Olive oil is a healthy fat that has been a staple in diets around the world for generations. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties help reduce the strain on your kidneys while also promoting good heart health. By using olive oil in your cooking, you not only add a rich and flavorful touch to your meals, but also introduce a nutrient that helps improve overall organ function. This oil is gentle on your system and aids in better nutrient absorption, which can contribute to a more balanced diet. Whether you drizzle it over a fresh salad or use it as a base for your favorite recipes, olive oil works to keep inflammation at bay and supports the natural detoxification process of your body. In essence, incorporating olive oil into your daily routine is a smart, delicious way to ensure your kidneys get the support they need, all while enhancing the taste and healthfulness of your meals. And that wraps up our countdown of 8 essential foods for keeping your kidneys in top shape. We hope you enjoyed learning about these kidney-friendly foods and discovered some new ideas for making your meals both delicious and nutritious. Remember, taking small steps like adding blueberries to your snack or swapping regular oils for olive oil can lead to big improvements in your overall health. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so leave a comment down below about which food you're most excited to try. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, health-focused ideas that make it easy to live well every day. Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Stay healthy, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your journey to better kidney health and have an amazing day.